Somatic cells are all cells relating to the non-reproductive parts of the body. There are different stages of the cell cycle. G1 phase is where cells increase in size, synthesize new proteins and organelles. In the S phase, DNA is synthesized when chromosomes are replicated. DNA is doubled at the end of this stage. In the G2 phase, the organelles and molecules required for cell division are produced. Throughout the cycle, there are checkpoints which halt the progression of a cell until conditions are favorable to make sure the daughter cells are the exact duplicates of parent cells. Mitosis is where two daughter cells are produced. Mitosis has 4 stages. Prophase is the longest phase. Inside the nucleus, genetic material condenses and the duplicated chromosomes become visible. Outside the nucleus, the spindle starts to form. Metaphase is the shortest of the phases. The centromeres of the duplicated chromosomes line up across the center of the cell, which is known as the metaphase plate. Spindle fibers connect to the centromere of each chromosome to 2 poles of the spindle. In anaphase, sister chromatids separate and begin to move apart, and the chromosomes separate and move along spindle fibers to opposite ends of the cell until they are completely separated into 2 groups. During this process, a mitotic spindle is formed. Poles of the mitotic spindle are made up of centrosomes, and asters give rise to spindle fibers. These fibers attach to the connector of the chromosomes during cell division. In telophase, the chromosomes begin to spread out in a tangle of chromatin. A nuclear envelope reforms around each cluster of chromosomes, and the spindle begins to break apart. Cytokinesis finishes cell division by splitting one cell to 2. In animals, the cell is drawn inward until the cytoplasm is pitched into 2 equal parts. This forms a cleavage furrow. Each part contains its own nucleus and cytoplasmic organelles, thus becoming 2 cells. In plant cells, since the cell membrane is not flexible and drawn inward because of the cell wall, a cell plate forms halfway between the divided nuclei. It gradually develops into cell membranes that separate the 2 daughter cells.